Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying the Paneer masala dosa recipe. This turned out really nice and the ingredients list is given in the description box below. So let's begin with the masala, for which I've heated some oil in a pan and I'm adding cumin seeds to it and letting it splutter. Then goes in finely chopped garlic, green chilies and onion. Now we shall saute this until the onions are slightly transparent. So the onions are done. Now let's add in some turmeric powder, red chilli powder and garam masala to this. And then we'll saute it nicely until the masalas cook well. Once the masala cooks well, we'll add in the crumbled paneer here. Give it a nice mix so that the masala coats the paneer evenly. Now it's time to add salt to taste. Mix and cook this for another 1 or 2 minutes and the masala is done. Make sure you don't overcook the paneer. Now before removing it from fire, we'll just add in some chopped coriander to this mixture. So let the mixture cool nicely. Then we'll just place a dosa pan on fire, pour the dosa batter and spread it out nicely. I'm going to grease the dosa with a little bit of oil. And then going to spread out the dosa like that. This will make it really crispy. This is a tip that my mom gave me. So once the dosa starts browning nicely, you will add in a little bit of ghee to it. And then put in the paneer mixture that we prepared earlier. Now just fold the dosa and remove it from the pan and your paneer masala dosa is ready. So do try the simple recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.